the Bumblenums. Today, the Bumblenums are going to make yawning yam yogurt. But what's the secret ingredient for yawning yams? The Bumblenums are on their way to the yawning yam garden. Are you ready to pick some yawning yams, Humble?
Yum!
What about you, Grumble?
Yum!
And you, Stumble?
Yeah.
Yum!
Yum yum!
Look, Bumblenums, yawning yams! So how are you?
Yum?
Oh, excuse me. The yawning yams are making me sleepy. I was about to ask you how you're going to get the yawning yams you need without falling asleep.
Yum yum yummy!
Yum!
Uh-oh, Bumblenums. The closer you get, the sleepier you get. You've got to find a way to stay awake. Or you won't get the 4 yawning yams for your yawning yam yogurt. Wake up, Bumblenums! Yum! Now go get those yawning yams! One! Jumping jacks! Good idea, Stumble! You won't fall asleep if you keep your energy up. 2! 3! You just need one more yawning yam! It's go time! Quick! Grab the last yawning yam before you... 4! Whew! You got all the yawning yams, Bumblenums. Now let's get them back to the kitchen. You made it, Bumblenums. Do you still have the 4 yawning yams? Now that we have the secret ingredient, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Bumblenums, you've done it again! How does your yawning yam yogurt taste, Bumblenums?
Yum yum yum!
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum.